No!
Yes!
What are you doing? Twat!
Braking.
I can see him looking in the mirror.
Brake, Stephen.
Whoa!
Hell.
Oh,
A TV news. Hundreds of children. Oh, shite.
If I have a bird's eye view,
I'd say get the 500. Get. Whoa. Jesus!
Wow, that was stupid.
Another one's over 2 lanes. You're in the left-hand lane. Goes. And went over there.
And coming over again. And again. So they were literally in that lane.
They were in the motorway lane.
And now they're in that lane.
Lane to take the M6 slip road. In a quarter of a mile, merge onto M6.
Will miss the match after aggravating his knee injury. Wolves forward Mateus Cunha has suffered a significant. Manager Gary O'Neill says there is no timeline on his recovery. Antonio Conte knows how to endear himself to Tottenham fans. Former Spurs boss says it was a miracle that the side qualified for the Champions League in his first season in charge. We didn't celebrate like it was a miracle in his first season in charge. We didn't celebrate like it was a miracle because I am used to winning, he added. Jog on, Antonio. Indeed. 5 matches in the Champions League.
This isn't another movie, it's Rocky the musical, which no one has requested or demanded. No. I, for one, am very...
Bragging.
Quite a few people around that red light. Let's count them. 1, 2.
the integrity of the obligations from the club when you didn't want to prove for it. Thank you, show sponsors.
Some painkillers. You can't
That's
turn
a
right
no
there.
right
You
turn
cannot
on
turn
there.
there.
I'll have that. Look, sign right there. No right turn.
Yep.
Oh, you do want that lane? Okay, well, good job I hung back and gave you some space. Don't bother with an indicator, yeah. A60, one of the main roads into Nottingham. Look at the size of those potholes. Half the concrete's missing. Concrete beneath that. That was laid when Margaret Thatcher was in charge. State of it. One of the main roads into our city. Awesome, innit? We've entered Democratic Republic of the Congo roads in the UK. This is awful. Good grief. Easily the best road in Nottingham. Come on, guys. What do you think? This is shocking. Oh my god, it's carrying on, isn't it? Oh, well, they managed to sort it till here. Okay.
New shortage of 911s here, and indeed spiders as well. 1990s Nissan Figaro. It comes to something when they become classic cars. We have a Morris Oxford, a slightly tarted up TR7 and a slightly more bog standard one, and another Triumph TR from 1965. Rather gorgeous Aston Martin. And an MG TD. Here we have the P5 Rover. This is not the B though. This is the 3 litre with the older engine. Real rarity, a Datsun 200. And going on we have a Riley RM and a Lomax. And here we have a 1985 Turbo Esprit. Of course, one of these turned up in James Bond film, For Your Eyes Only. However briefly, because it got blown up by the baddies.
There's such a blind spot. Terrible. I have, because you and me are the same. Donkey. A donkey! Who donkey? Two donkeys!
Dodge these speed bumps by driving in the gaps. They're effective, aren't they? it.